Saint Francis Xavier's feast, which comes on a Sunday, and being an Advent, it is well known in the Catholic community at least, we cannot celebrate a saint's feast on a Sunday. And therefore, the church has decided to celebrate it on Monday the 4th. Now there are many elements who are trying to create confusion, because they can see that Goa Forward is taking Goenka and Goenka Pond really forward. So they try to just make an issue that the feast is fixed for 4th and we are sleeping. There are some media reports also. But Iris has posted me directly, where is this Goenka Pond? You are sleeping, I would like to tell him that we are wide awake. And we are awakened, not only awake, we are awakened people. We are not awake and dreaming. We are awakened. And the government of Goa has already declared December 4th as a holiday. So who is awakened and who is sleeping becomes clear. This is the government calendar. This is nothing afterthought. 4th of December can be seen here. So what I am saying that we are awakened, I am substantiating it. Now who is awakened and who is awake and sleeping, the people should decide. Just try to get cheap publicity and questioning every time the Goenka Pond is only coming out of a hatred, or they are still living in darkness when the Festival of Lights has already supposed to, that is not, it is a symbol of light, is nothing but to enlighten human beings. And yet the people are still in darkness. We pray that they be enlightened on this Lakshman Puja day at least. And do not run for cheap publicity. But since it was already declared as a holiday, we don't run for cheap publicity. Or we don't try to defame somebody. Today, nobody can deny it that we are working hard, especially led by our party president Vijay Sardesai, to keep the Goenka and Goenka Pond flag flying high. It is our commitment, not just lip service. Some of our friends are making demands. We were also on that side at one time, making demands. Today God has put us in a place to fulfill those demands, and that is what we are doing.